How to create a Doordash account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your Doordash account. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for the Doordash application and make sure you download the right application, which is this one. So for your confirmation, it has over 50 million plus downloads. So simply click on install and wait for some time for it to install on your device. So once you are on this screen, what you need to do is you can either log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple account if you have one, or you can simply continue with email or phone number. Just make sure you have turned on your location because it will automatically set up your address. So let me just, in this case, I will just go with Google with my Google account and just choose any of my Google account to sign in. So once you sign into your account, you will be seeing this option where you'll have to enter your correct addresses, and once you do that, simply click on sign in. Then you will be redirected to this page, and from over here you just have to enter your correct address and you can start sorting things out, doing shoppings, anything you want from your Doordash application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.